it's the awkward introduction part again. But I was so excited. मैं 6 महीने बाद घर जा रही हूँ. I cannot wait to see my parents. They're coming to pick me up. I'm just really excited to be back home. I am dying to meet my friends. I am dying to just be in my room. I just want to relax. 1 महीना घर का खाना या फिर थोड़ा बहुत बाहर. I'm not gonna lie. Speaking of, just for the record, my internship in Bangalore went really well. My PI was quite impressed. I'm not gonna lie. So at least that's what he let me in on. So I am all in all glad for my time spent there, that it was well. And now I just want to relax before I even have to think about college. My hair was too tied up. I did not like it. Anyways, so as I'm going out with my best friend, she's taking me on a drive and lunch. Unfortunately, it's not a date. No, it's my actually platonic best friend. So we're not dating here. We're not dating here. I made my bed now. Obviously, इसके नीचे है actual bedsheet and everything, but I usually keep it covered during the day, ताकि अगर मैं बाहर के कपड़े पहनूँ and I want to sit on the bed, so I can. But anyways, तो सुबह मम्मी ने मुझे अपने रूम की bedsheet change करने का काम दिया था. So I was doing that. I just got done with it. Maybe not really. I just have to change one more pillow cover and then I'll go and take a bath. और मुझे बिल्ली को भी दूध देना है. I mean, it's not my cat. So there's this stray cat and मम्मा उसको दूध देती है. So I have to, of course, carry on the legacy. But yeah, so here's my old bed sheet. I'll keep you guys updated. Good morning. So we are getting ready to go out. मेरे बाल काफ़ी ख़राब हो रहा है because I haven't done anything with them since morning. I have to fix that, I have to do my makeup and I'll see you guys after that. मैं आने की गाड़ी I'm traffic में अटके हुए. I'm not distracting her. But anyways, like ऐसे मेरे को passenger princess वाली feeling आ रही है and वो मेरे लिए fruit भी लेके आई है. So it's nice, but yes, it is a really nice vibe and ये मेरा outfit है. These are the fruit she cut for me. Did you cut for my mom? Auntie, thank you for that. But yes, तो हम अभी जा रहे हैं हमारी डेट के लिए to Delhi. So we are going to this place called Indian Habitat Center, जहाँ पे there are also a lot of exhibitions. When I went there almost 5 years ago, last time, तब वहाँ का food court बिल्कुल different था. Now it's totally different. So I'm actually quite impressed. And after this, we are planning to check out the exhibitions that are there. I am very satisfied with this level of customer service. I mean, Uber should take classes. We give a solid 6 rating out of 6. And yes, fully recommended. I will certainly ride again with all innuendos that you can think of. So yes, stay tuned for the next ride. So today is small day with mom. हम shopping करने आए हैं and वीडियो बना रही हूँ. हम shopping and fashion रिव्यू करने आए हैं. तो basically हम shopping ऐसे impromptu shopping करते हैं. हमको सोच के नहीं आते कि आज हमें इस चीज़ की shopping करनी है. एग्जाम का रिजल्ट यारा. It has BT21 collection. It's adorable. Okay, it's adorable. I tried a couple of clothes. They're really cute. I really want to purchase them, but abhi I have to run those with mom. So I'm waiting for that. Let's see what's the final verdict. I really hope I get to buy them. And the most likely my mom will buy me those. Let's see. Mom, and here's the bag. I'm at Hamleys right now. I saw this Barbie dream house castle. It's so beautiful. I wish I had this as a child. Dry, super dry, but wait a minute while you make me yours. Make me yours. जहाँ भर के शॉपिंग करके आ गए हैं फॉल्स कैफ़े एंड आधी चीज़ें हैं ही नहीं उनके पास, कहना जैसे क्वालिटी करेंसी है बट तो हमने फिर और पहले तो ये दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है कि हमें क्या खाना है, उसके बाद जब नहीं होते वो आइटम तो और ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाओ कि अब क्या खाना है, तो डबल दिमाग लगा के वी हैव प्लेस आवर ऑर्डर। लेट्स सी कैसा आता है, क्या आता है। This is going to be our girl dinner, मेरा और मॉम का। Even though हमें हमारी first choices नहीं मिली, जो खाना आया it was very delicious. Recently I have turned into a hot chocolate enthusiast and this hot chocolate was one of the richest hot chocolate I have ever drank. Overall the food was really good, the ambience was really good. Father की गाड़ी में बैठ चुके हैं guys. So I'm going to the market. None of my friends is available. So I'm going alone. I mean, am I really left with any other choice? Huh? So I have to run a few errands and some really traumatic incident happened with me yesterday. So I have to untraumatize myself. I'll tell you guys about it because I kind of don't want to shed light onto it right now. I'm just waiting for my order to arrive right now. I'll keep you guys updated. I got traumatized last night because I lost my nose ring to the drain. I was washing my face and so usually I'm very careful while washing my face to not put too much force around my nose ring, but my hand slipped because I was washing my face and नोज़ रिंग दोनों हाथों से क्लैम्प होके जस्ट फेल ऑफ एंड जितने में मैंने अपनी आंखें खोली इट वाज ऑलरेडी डाउन द ड्रेन. सो नाउ रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली इट सीम्स वेरी फनी बट उस टाइम पे आई वाज ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट टू क्राई बिकॉज इट जस्ट काइंड ऑफ फेल्ट कि ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. अदर देन दैट आई हैव टू टेक सम स्टफ फॉर माई फ्रेंड बिकॉज शी इज़ कमिंग ओवर and I have to see some jewelry that my mom asked me to. Not sure if I'm gonna buy it or not, but she just asked me to check some out. Mom के ही और एक दो काम थे. I have to buy some stationery and I have to actually check out the film rolls for this vintage camera that I have. Actually kind of nervous because I don't think it'll be cheap, but as long as it's something that I find worth, I think it should be good. I have acquired the bag and I have only like 2 tasks left now. I have checked out most of the things that I had to do in the market. I still have to look for one more thing, some jewelry and stuff like that. So after that I'll be done or I'll be grabbing a snack from here because दिल्ली का खाना obviously. तो मैं ऐसे जो market आई हूँ वहाँ पे there's really good street food. We often come for dinner here sometimes because like especially when I come for a very short time because the food here is so good. So it's like हाँ ठीक है आज तो बाहर खाएंगे and like मचा देंगे guys. पानी भरा हुआ है हर जगह. So there are like a lot of mosquitoes and all that. But yeah, it's going pretty great. मौसम इतना ख़राब नहीं है जितना पिछले कुछ दिनों में था. So that's what I'm really glad about. I'm on the errands. I'm on my way back. My new nose ring looks a little weird to me. I think it'll take me some time to get used to it. But at least I'm not nose ringless. I mean, it does not look that bad. I'm yet to look at myself in the mirror. In an actual mirror and not the one back at the back of my phone case. So अभी हो रहे हैं 7:46 PM and आज मेरा on Wednesdays we wear pink नहीं रहा. आज मेरा on Wednesdays we lay in bed all day and watch series रहा. खिड़की बंद कर देनी चाहिए मुझे किचन की. Anyways, I am making tea right now for myself and my mom. Dad की आज office party है. Not party but like just a get together and stuff, so he'll be coming late but he's getting cream rolls for me and mom because we both absolutely love it. As I said कि आज मेरा on Wednesdays we lay in bed and watch TV series all day tha. So so it's I know it's human, but hear me out. I take very good care of myself, and this is like the first time in a while, so I did not shower today. और अभी मॉम भी थोड़ा ऐसे लेजी मूड में है, तो हम सोच रहे हैं कि नेवर हैव आई एवर देख लो, क्योंकि व्हाई नॉट. सो नाउ दैट आई एम सेइंग इट माई सेल्फ, मुझे खुद को काफ़ी एनवी फील हो रही है. बट आई एब्सोल्युटली मिस दीज डेज आई स्पेंड एट होम. मैं कुछ नहीं करती थी पूरे दिन एक्सेप्ट फॉर डूइंग वट एवर आई वॉन्टेड. इट कुड बी एनी थिंग, सॉल्विंग पजल्स, वॉचिंग सीरीज, पेंटिंग, एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग, और हियर आई एम. I think this video I took around like 2 a.m. in the morning, and I was editing my first video. So that is also kind of monumental. I put out my first video out for the public. I'm low-key proud of it, okay? I think it's kind of boastful to be proud of oneself, but I am nonetheless. So I think when I'm looking back now, editing this video, ऐसे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है दिल में, बिकॉज तुम ऐसे काम करते हो एंड देन यू हैव वेकेशन समटाइम्स. सो आई थिंक बिकॉज आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, it's easier for me to enjoy the vacations, but I had a lot of fun at home. I bonded with my parents. Every single meet with my parents somehow during this age group feels like I'm rebonding with them. So it did feel like that. मैंने और मॉम ने बहुत सारी डीप कॉन्वर्जेशंस की. आई कैन टेल हर most of the things about myself. I can be more frank with her, seek genuine advice from her. It's not easy to capture everything and every emotion and every feeling into a video, even though that is exactly what I'm trying to do. That is why I wanted to start this channel, but I don't want to get emotional right now, so I'll just say I enjoyed my time at home a lot. So since I'm going away soon, mom and dad बहुत प्यार आ गया मुझ पे, and like it was kind of a spontaneous plan. Wait, let me just fix. Since I'm leaving soon, unfortunately, I mean leaving home soon to go to Mumbai, this is spontaneous plan बन गया to come to Taj, and we are here for our like picnic snacks and stuff like that. Not having your parents know about your YouTube channel, 2/10, not recommended. Anyways, they were clicking some pictures for their website or something. There were these fancy as cakes and a specific chaat counter. काफ़ी fancy चीज़ें हो रही थी यहाँ पे, but I wasn't in the mood for chaat. We ended up having just this salad and again hot chocolate enthusiast. So I did not find this hot chocolate as rich as the one I had at Paul's, but nonetheless it was amazing. I love hot chocolate so much. Here I am doing some weird ass stuff. We had I think a 15-minute discussion just on what we want to eat, because हमें तीनों को इतनी भूख नहीं थी. So we concluded that one dish would be enough for all of us, but because उस दिन मॉम का व्रत था, तो we had to be inclusive of her as well. So it took us a really long time to reach a common consensus, but we did it. I enjoyed spending time with my parents so much. My dad was just cracking dad jokes. हम दोनों dad के मज़े ले रहे थे, और क्या मतलब. I think that is literally just every household with daughters summed up. But I think I would take this as my cue to sum things up. This holiday was a much needed one. I did a lot of inner work. Now that I am in college, editing this video, recording this voiceover, I do feel like I have become more confident, because last year on itself, or maybe earlier this year in my previous semester, I was not confident enough to speak up against the people in my batch or speak up against anyone for that matter in my college. I was just afraid, even though I have never been that way. And it led me to question who I really am. It led me to find myself from blank slate, in a position I've never been before. This singular month meant a lot to me than any time period has meant to me in a while. And now that I'm going to Mumbai, I was really scared. There were a lot of things that I was not looking forward to at all. Now, well, spoiler alert, things are going well here, and I think I am motivated enough, at least for now, that I can do anything I set my mind to, and that I do want to achieve big things in life. Very emotional, did not mean to put it out on the internet, but since my channel is small right now, I think I can afford that much of risk. So I think that's my cue to leave. I'll see you guys very soon in the next one, creating chaos, because frankly speaking, I have never known how to chill. Until then, love, take care.